Welcome back to Quiz Factory. How many famous food and drink logos do you know? In today's video, we'll guess 50 world-famous food and drink brands by their logos. You have 7 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Let's start with one of my favorite fast foods. It's KFC. Question 2. Any ideas? Of course, it's Ben & Jerry's. Question 3. It's Doritos. Question 4. Hard Rock Cafe. Question 5. Burger King. You make it look easy. Question 6. Any guesses? Pringles. Question 7. Jack in the Box. Question 8. Guess the logo. Yes, it's Chick-fil-A. Question 9. Which brand would you rather eat at, Jack in the Box or Chick-fil-A? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Question 10. Can you guess it? Seven Up, you've got it. Question 11. Any guesses? The correct logo is Oreo. Question 12. Kraft. Question 13. What about this one? Baskin-Robbins. Question 14. Big Boy. Question 15. Airheads. Question 16. This is Sprite. Question 17. Yummy, it's Gatorade. Question 18. Which one do you like more, Sprite or Gatorade? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Question 19. Next logo. The correct answer is Warheads. Question 20. Dunkin' Donuts. Question 21. it's Fanta. Question 22. Guess the food logo. Quaker. Question 23. Pizza Hut. Question 24. I know this one, and you? Lipton's the correct answer. Question 25. Guess the food logo. Chili's. Question 26. Any ideas? Pepsi. Question 27. It's Hooters. Question 28. Any ideas? Heinz. Question 29. Krispy Kreme. Question 30. In-N-Out Burger. Question 31. Any guesses? The correct answer is Domino's. Question 32. In-N-Out Burger or Domino's? Which store do you usually eat at more? Which one's your choice? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Question 33. Starbucks. Question 34. Guess the logo. Snickers. Question 35. Dr. Pepper. Question 36. What about this one? Coca-Cola. Question 37. It was easy, right? It's Kellogg's. Question 38. Next logo. Haribo. Question 39. Correct answer is A&W. Question 40. Do you recognize this logo? It's Aldi. Question 41. That's right, it's Mountain Dew. Question 42. Great answer, that's Subway. Question 43. Oh, it's Kit Kat. Question 44. Nestle. Question 45. Do you know which fast food brand this is? It's Jollibee. Did you get it right? Question 46. It's McDonald's. Was it tricky? Question 47. Chupa Chups. Question 48. Costco. Question 49. Next logo. Yeah, right, it's Monster Energy. Question 50. Popeyes. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Quiz Factory for more fun and interesting quizzes. See you in the next videos.